Cramped workstations? Struggling to book meeting rooms that are always occupied? Resource management out of sync? The real issue is lack of insight. With Milesight's new wireless device, workspace usage becomes crystal clear. Powered by a low-power AI chip and PIR RGB tech, this new device delivers accurate occupancy detection. Battery-powered for easy wireless setup, its environmental sensors fit all kinds of office spaces. It supports wide area LoRaWAN coverage. See how the VS321 works. When the PIR sensors detect movement, the camera wakes up and checks for occupancy. With AI-powered detection, VS321 automatically checks every 2 minutes if a desk is in use, helping companies to optimize workspace management. VS321 also shines in meeting rooms. People Counting gives you the data you need to schedule meeting rooms more efficiently. Its built-in temperature, humidity, and light sensors monitor the environment at custom intervals, keeping the office comfortable. VS321 can also be linked with other smart devices according to specific scenarios, enabling efficient resource savings. Devices are configured easily via Toolbox Bluetooth, switch freely between office and meeting modes. From a single room to the whole floor, VS321 built an intelligent, energy-efficient, and high-value workplace solution. Milesight Wireless AI Occupancy Sensor. Smarter spaces, better efficiency. Milesight makes sensing matter.